POV, the first caveman to ever be racist.
Give me peso, extendo. I carry bitches like I'm Greco. Beat her up with.
You can play with this kaleidoscope I got you at the airport.
What? A kaleidoscope? I'm not 5. Shapes and colors, the likes of which I've never seen.
This bitch.
You don't know the half. This shit get real. Valley girls giving blowjobs for Louboutins. What?
Trisha, this song is for you. I don't fuck with you. You little stupid ass bitch, I ain't fucking with you.
How to say freaky pookie in Chinese? 变态宝贝，变态宝贝，变态宝贝。
You want to come cook Crystal? Never seen a dead person. Get what you fucking deserve!
Wouldn't you like to know, weather boy?
Stupid game.
You know, cookie bullshit, bing bang, bing bang, bing, ding 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 ding. What?
This is a dolphin fetus.
Are you a map? Cause I got lost in your eyes.
You're my friend now.
Look at that cat.
Nung binabasa ko, let's say for example, kung private,
Minneapolis beaches.
You're adopted.
And I was going to ask you later, but that's...
Video game lover, we should with each other. I said, video game lover.
What's up, dude? What's good? What's up? Well, you fast or what? What are you gonna do? What are you gonna do? No, I just want to say you seem super cool. You're not from here?
I'm from Ireland.
Oh, I'm from here. Very nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you.
You can't put that there. My house isn't for sale. You gotta get out of here, seriously. Oh, I didn't realize you were chill like that. Sell whatever you want. That realtor was so sick.
and the way to come up with these golfers, he has the smallest one that might come up.
Blind.
What's up, bud? Oh, hi. Thanks for checking in. I'm still a piece of garbage.
Jeff.
What? He's that good.
He's that.
Dying in 3, 2, 1.
Fuck you! What's wrong with you? What is wrong with you, dude? Oh my god. Okay.
Hi, ma'am. I'm Gibby.
She doesn't speak English.
I'm still Gibby.
Hey there. Are you for real? I'm for real. I'm still alive, chicken. Force cursed. Get out!
Then she caught him with not one, not two, but 3 girls. Get out if you're bro. What? Huh?
Oh, Craig.
What's the difference between toilet paper and a curtain?
I don't know. So it was you! How many times do I have to tell you? You have to grab the toilet paper, okay?
Hi, ma'am. I'm Gibby.
She doesn't speak English.
I'm still Gibby.
Me. Yeah, watch.
Whoa!
Watch.
Whoa! Whoa, what the fuck?
I don't get nervous, but I'm starting to get a bit shaky, you know? I mean, I'm a little bit... Feel...
Well, you don't know me, but I know you.
So you're crying and dirt on me.
You know what happened? Krishan took off.
Mwah. No balls.
Yo, I just found this kid and he's all alone. Hey, you! Ass back here, motherfucker! No!
My grandma told me to add some detergent to the washer, so I'm gonna just do it.
Angels have pink hair. I had no idea.
Makari, how many times do you think you're gonna scream tonight?
0.
Did you scream tonight?
I didn't scream at all.
Someone just told me that I have the same haircut as their coochie. I've never been so insecure in my life. I never thought my haircut being coochie haircut would be my biggest insecurity, but it is. Here we are. She was like, I love your hair so much, Bodhi. I gave my coochie the same fade that you got. What am I supposed to say to that? Like, yeah, cool. That's why I got the haircut. I want to look just like a coochie. No, keep that shit to yourself. Now I have to go bald. I don't even know. I don't know how I move forward now. My haircut. Ah!
Give me 1 second. I see somebody from college. Hey.
How to say, come to daddy in Chinese. 来找爸爸，来找爸爸。来找爸爸 ，Please follow me. Tap to follow me.